Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I have an important update regarding Infosys Springboard Internship 7.0. Guys, in my previous video I told you that I had been allocated to batch 2. So finally I received my document verification email on 3rd July and I wanted to share this update with all of you because many of you have been asking me in the comments when the document verification emails will be sent. That's why I made a video on this. I have received a mail on 3rd July. As you can see on the screen, this is the official email I received from Infosys Springboard. They invited me to attend the document verification meeting and they also mentioned the password, meeting password, date and the time of the slots. They mentioned the date 10th July 2026 and I can join any one of the slot they have given 11 to 1 p.m. or 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. And I need to get verified my documents which are any government ID proof or and college ID. These are the two mandatory things which I want to share. And if you are in batch 2 and have not yet received your document verification email, don't panic because different candidates will receive at different times. So make sure to check your inbox regularly. And I will also keep sharing every important update related to the Infosys Springboard internship. So if you don't want to miss any updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments whether you have received your document verification email or not. And also let me know which batch are you in. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.